Hey guys, how's it going? How to share watch list on Amazon Prime Video. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and launch the website or open up the app. Make sure that you update it to the latest version. Sign in with your account. Navigate to My Stuff or Watch List to see your saved titles. Note that Prime Video does not have a direct share feature for watch lists. Instead, copy the titles that you want to share the copied lists via messaging apps, email, or social media. Fortunately, there isn't a built-in feature to directly share entire watch lists on Amazon Prime Video. So let's know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.